So why are so many borrowers renewing with the same bank? A big reason is that many feel trapped or they literally are trapped. Remember, these mortgages were originally taken out or even refinanced at ultra low rates. For example, a 5-year fixed in mid 2020 averaged around 2.36%, whereas in mid 2025, it's roughly 3.95%. So that's a 67% jump in interest costs for the average borrower coming off a 5-year term. Faced with that payment shock, homeowners are often opting for the path of least resistance, accepting their current bank's renewal offer rather than shopping around, especially if their financial situation has changed or if it hasn't improved substantially enough for them to be able to go get another loan from another institution. Now, borrowers are worried that they won't qualify elsewhere, or they know the reality that they won't qualify elsewhere, or perhaps other lenders aren't offering significantly better rates. You have to understand that if you get a renewal, the bank is basically just sending you a letter that you can check a box that would allow you to renew your existing mortgage term with no changes, unless like something major has changed on your credit file. And I asked Ron Butler about this recently on Twitter. Like if there's major significant debts or like something registered against you where your bank would have been notified, or if there's a delinquency, like you missed a payment or something like that. But otherwise, it's as easy as like you kind of just check the box and renew your mortgage and everything's okay. And add to that the fact that rates are a lot worse now than they were when a lot of these borrowers got their mortgages for the first time. Some people might not even qualify for the mortgage at new rates, because we've actually exceeded how much the stress tested those rates, right? They were stress tested at 5.25% or 200 basis points above the contract rate. So many borrowers basically just stay with their original bank, even if it means a higher rate, because it's at least a known quantity. Now, it's worth noting that there have been some policy tweaks to encourage people to shop around because we didn't want to create this anti-competitive mortgage market.